Lithotomy positioning just got easier and safer thanks to IDI's ComfortFin Stirrups. Unlike traditional stirrups, the ComfortFin 350 and 500 have boots sized to handle today's larger patients. Correct sizing reduces the risk of pressure injuries. IDI stirrups are designed around patients' BMI, so there is more room to accommodate the circumference of a patient's leg versus traditional stirrups' smaller boot. Both stirrups include secure lock straps, which eliminate difficult-to-clean hook and loop fasteners from the stirrup, and are available with secure release clamps. The ergonomically designed positioning handle allows easy adjustment of the patient's legs in abduction, adduction, and lithotomy positions. IDI ComfortFin Stirrups use high-quality gas pistons that help support the patient's legs when they are being manipulated by the user. The IDI 350 has soft pressure-relieving padding that encapsulates the entire boot, including the ankle well and fin. This padding is designed to reduce nerve and fascia damage associated with the exposed plastic in traditional stirrups. Unlike traditional stirrup boots, the IDI ComfortFin Stirrups have a spoon-shaped foot section rather than a square boot box. The spoon-shaped design helps prevent pressure on patients' feet with severe eversion or inversion. IDI ComfortFin Stirrups provide a greater range of leg motion than traditional stirrups, a key advantage when used on wider urology tables. The additional 3 degrees of abduction and adduction are critical to ensure proper patient positioning. The stirrup has a lateral fin designed to prevent the peroneal nerve from damage. The heel cup on the stirrup boot is designed to hold the foot and leg in position. It is important that care be taken to position the heel of the patient's foot into the heel cup. The top flap closure system eliminates hard-to-clean hook and loop fasteners that may contribute to cross-contamination. Secure lock closure straps are made of medical-grade silicone that can last up to 10 times longer than traditional hook and loop straps. They can be easily cleaned using any hospital-grade disinfectant. The patent-pending design allows the stirrups to be moved through 142 degrees of motion, 22 degrees further than traditional stirrups, creating an additional 3 to 4 inches of working room. The IDI ComfortFin Stirrup storage cart is a safe and convenient way to protect your stirrups. The ergonomic round cart handles are easy on the hands. The cart includes stirrup storage pockets, keeping the stirrups from colliding during transport. High-quality casters keep the cart tracking and include locking brakes to keep the cart from moving inadvertently. For further information, contact IDI.